How to use Affirm Credit Card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly use Affirm Credit Card in the year 2024. So using an Affirm Credit Card is quite a simple task nowadays. Today, I'll demonstrate how you all can effectively utilize an Affirm Credit Card. So this is the appearance of the credit card, and it also functions digitally. The card number and the expiration date CV are crucial details to possess. They are located on the back side of the card. And after acquiring this information, you merely need to proceed to any store or the mode of purchase. You must select the product and they will provide you with a card scanner for the payment. And if you opt for online transactions, the process is straightforward. You need to navigate to the checkout section after selecting your desired product, and you can easily input your card details such as Visa or MasterCard and finalize the purchase. You can also take the advantage of the full functionality of the Affirm card by linking to your bank account. And if you're unable or you don't want to link your bank account, you will only be able to request plans in the app before checkout. If your Affirm card is unlinked, keep in mind that you will be declined if you swipe without a payment plan. And note that the Affirm card management is only available in the Affirm app. So this detail should be accessible from your phone's application that essentially covers the process of using an Affirm credit card. I trust that you will discover this guidance beneficial. So this was all about how to use Affirm credit card in the year 2024. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.